A romantic comedy has to be funny and make you think about life, but the obstacle that has to be overcome is key. Because death and illness are the most horrible things in life, of course that's where the most absurdly funny things are going to happen. Certainly there are things in life that money can't buy, but it's very funny. Did you ever try buying them without money? Do not take life too seriously. You will never get out of it alive. Everything in life is somewhere else, and you get there in a car. I believe that if life gives you lemons, you should make lemonade. And try to find somebody whose life has given them vodka, and have a party. I can't not find humor in elements of most parts of life, but at the same time nothing ever seems perpetually funny to me. I don't believe in the afterlife, although I am bringing a change of underwear. I don't happen to have a sense of humor personally, so I don't know what's funny about a character. This happens to be a feature of my life generally. I don't write literary fiction. I write books that are entertaining, but are also, I hope, well-constructed and thoughtful and funny and have things to say about men and women and families and children and life in America today. I like the hot cold, the sugar salt, being able to play over the top and dramatic things in the same film. Just as in my life, I can be very funny and at other times almost extinguished. I remember listening to the radio as a kid and finding that the songs always made me feel more peaceful. Funny, but the more hurtin' the music was, the better it made me feel. I think of that now when I write my songs. I may not be feeling the blues myself, but I'm writing them for other people who have a hard life. I tell girls all the time that the men that have fallen in love with me have all fallen during a man repel stage. Funny how life works out like that. I think if actors don't think of themselves as funny in real life, they think they can't do comedy. I think one of the basic tasks in life, one of the nice things we can do for each other, is to take things that are horrible and scary and make them acceptable and less frightening and, if possible, funny. It feels great to succeed at that. I write about wounds, the eternal treasons of life. It's not very funny, but it's sincere. My commitment is to sincerity.
I'm not funny. People assume that because my books are funny, I will be funny in real life. It's the inevitable disappointment of meeting me. If I had to live my life again, I'd make the same mistakes, only sooner. If I studied all my life, I couldn't think up half the number of funny things passed in one session of Congress. In a funny way, poems are suited to modern life. They are short, they are intense. Nobody has time to read a 700-page book. People read magazines, and a poem takes less time than an article. It's a funny thing about life: if you refuse to accept anything but the best, you very often get it. It's funny the way most people love the dead. Once you are dead, you are made for life. It's funny But when I arrived in California to start college, I was much more interested in becoming a surfer and cruise along in life from one beach to the next. I didn't plan out any huge career for myself. It's funny, but you get to a time in your life when you think you have all the friends you will ever have. It's funny, I'm a lifelong musician, but because I principally play the piano, it's been a solitary thing. It's harder to be funny if you're handsome than if you're very normal looking. It's just more relatable. You're the underdog. I mean, it's funny to see people struggle. And you don't buy that Brad Pitt is struggling. You know that guy could be the most skillless guy in the world. But if you look like that, you will be fine for the rest of your life. It's unbearable when someone changes around you. Just imagine that your life partner changes, then it is difficult to cope with. Or your mother. Or your father. They were strong and now they are like a baby. It's not so funny. My life needs editing. My mother was a terrific force in my life. Wartime generation woman, hadn't gone to university, but should have done. Was very funny, very verbal, very clever, very witty. My one regret in life is that I am not someone else. People are funny, and in the most tragic situations, when comedy erupts from nowhere, it can turn on its head within the space of a second or a minute. You are laughing 1 minute, and you are crying the next, and that's just life for me, and that is what people are like. People say funny things all the time during really serious moments in life. People say that life is the thing, but I prefer reading. Smoking kills. If you are killed, you have lost a very important part of your life. So it was just funny to read a script that was just similar to what had been going on in my life. So often, I read scripts and am like, this would never happen in real life. It's not trying to be funny. It's trying to be serious.
Stealing, you'll go far in life. Actually, there is something funny about getting away with it. The nightmare is you spend the rest of your life being funny at parties, and then people say, why didn't you do that when you were on television? The surprising thing is that I was not funny in high school. I was always jealous of the funny kids because they always got the girls. I couldn't tell a joke to save my life. There are only 3 things women need in life: food, water, and compliments. To succeed in life, you need 3 things: a wishbone, a backbone, and a funny bone. What's funny is that the idea of popularity, even the use of the word popular, is something that had been mostly absent from my life since junior high. In fact, the hallmark of life after junior high seemed to be the shading of popularity as a central concern. When you are in love, it's the most glorious 2.5 days of your life. You know what's funny? I don't ever feel the need to escape. I have a strong marriage. I like my life. You hear about these guys having midlife crisis. I don't see that happening to me. You know, fame is a funny thing, man, especially, actors, musicians, rappers, rock singers. It's kind of a lifestyle and it's easy to get caught up in it. You go to bars, you go to clubs, everyone's doing a certain thing. It's tough.